Hi guys! I'm so excited to present to you with my series of videos called Smart Shopping. What I want to achieve is that I want you to help you build your dream timeless wardrobe. And to do this, the first step is to get rid of everything that you don't wear and you don't need. So this video is going to be about how to clean up your wardrobe in 3 simple steps.
The first step is gathering all our garments, not just our clothes. Grab all your shoes, your bags, jewelry, accessories, everything. We are going to divide our wardrobe into 3 groups. Group number 1 will be the items that you wear a lot. Think on a weekly basis and can't live without. These are your core garments. The second group will be made of items you wear once in a while, but not as much as the ones in the first group. These are your complementary garments, the ones that occasionally add an interesting touch to your outfit, but you can definitely live without. Think of these as the ones you wear once a month or so. Now the third group will be made of the items you never wear. Maybe once every 6 months, maybe you wear them once in your life. Or they were your favorite 3 years ago, but now you just can't seem to wear them, or you have never wore them, and they are still with the tags on. Now forget if you have a special attachment to the items in question. Maybe it's a gift from someone you love, or it belonged to your mother, or it is Chanel, or whatever. Just divide the clothes honestly in how much you wear them and not how much you love them. These are 2 different things. After you have divided all your items, put back in the closet the first group and focus on the 2 remaining ones. The third group will be automatically out of your closet. We want to do this sustainably, so it will either be sold or gifted or donated. There are plenty of ways you can sell your clothes. You can either do it online through various reselling websites, or you can take it to a secondhand store in your city. If you don't want to sell it or feel it might not sell, you can gift it, which is also a pretty good option that will give you your item a second life. You can also donate it to a charity shop. I know this might not be easy for everyone, but try to think of an item you really desire and have been wanting for a while. Think of all the things you can sell that will automatically become that item. A really good idea is to set yourself an objective. It's a great motivation to sell your things and get something you really need and want. Once you get the item, you won't miss the things you sold. Now the second group, this is the hardest. This is where we will spend more time. You will go carefully item by item, and you will either place it in the first group or in the third. Now remember, if you place it in the third group, it will have a sustainable way out, gain a second life through someone else, and help you purchase a number 1 group item. If you decide to place the item back in your wardrobe, you will give yourself a month to wear it and fall back in love with it. If a month goes by and you haven't worn it, then this garment is clearly not for you, and you will eventually redirect it towards the third group. Try to focus on what you don't wear certain items so you don't make the same mistake twice and buy a garment you don't really wear.
Feels good, right? To finally get rid of all the things that you don't wear and that you don't need. On our next video, I'm going to give you tips and tricks to successfully sell your clothes online. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment below, and subscribe to my channel for new videos.